Hey everybody, it's Paul Brink again. Sorry it's taken me a while, but, you know, scrap happens. Things happen in life, but here we go. This one's definitely a no truck issue. Ran into a nice pile of light iron last night and couldn't get my hands on it. It seems like one of the stores around here is doing a complete overhaul, and 3 dumpsters full of freaking shelving, lights, wire. Couldn't grab it all. But more than likely, I'll have a few videos coming up. Got some good stuff going on. And by the summer, gonna be getting the father-in-law's Big Blue, well, Old Blue, up and running and in my name. Hopefully everybody has a blessed Saturday. And honestly, whether it's warm out, cold out, you got snow, rain, you enjoying a decent Saturday, wherever you are, enjoy it. Never going to have these days forever. Every day is just another day. I'm going to be recording another video tonight. Hopefully posting either tomorrow or Monday. So, when I can, I'll get the pictures out. And maybe start doing a couple hot buttons. Issues that are really getting to me and a bunch of others. Going to be talking with some local law authority. Getting their point of views on the yeses and nos of dumpster diving, resale, and see what happens. Alright everybody, hopefully you have a blessed weekend. Like I said, next video is going to be popping here either tomorrow or Monday. I'll be either recording at home or on the pick trail. So like I said, God bless, and hopefully everybody enjoys your weekend.